What is up YouTube? My name is Aditya and welcome back to my channel The Indian Algo। इस वीडियो में मैंने डिस्कस किया है लाइव एग्जीक्यूशंस फॉर निफ्टी। आज का दिन थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी था। मैं थोड़े ड्रॉडाउन में फंस गया बिकॉज ऑफ दिस टाइप ऑफ प्राइस एक्शन, जो कि मैं एंटिसिपेट कर सकता था, लेकिन मैंने फिर भी ट्रेडिंग करी एंड इवेंचुअली ओवरऑल मेरा प्रॉफिट हुआ है 5475, क्योंकि मैंने काफी अच्छी ट्रेड पकड़ी। यहाँ से देखने के लिए काफी अच्छी है, आपको समझ में आएगा कि इस ट्रेड को मैंने कैसे होल्ड किया अराउंड अंटिल हियर, और मैंने कैसे इसमें पोजीशंस ऐड करी, मैंने कैसे इंश्योर किया कि मेरे जो लॉसेस है वो बहुत इजीली कवर हो जाए एक ट्रेड के साथ। अगर आप वो कर पाते हो, डेफिनेटली हाई चांसेस है कि आप पैसा कमाओगे। अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हो और आपने फ्री टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ज्वाइन नहीं किया है, सो द लिंक इज डाउन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन। गो अहेड, ज्वाइन दिस चैनल। यहाँ पे मैं बहुत क्लियरली अपनी अपना बायस बताता हूँ पहले ही, कि मुझे क्या चीज देखनी है। अगर आप वो चीज उस चीज पे फोकस करोगे, बहुत इजीली आपको उस डायरेक्शन में ट्रेड मिल सकती है। एंड मैंने वही यहाँ पे किया है। बहुत सारे लोग हैं यहाँ पे जो वीडियोस देख रहे हैं लेकिन सब्सक्राइब नहीं कर रहे और कमेंट नहीं कर रहे कि उनको ये ट्रेड्स और देखने, क्योंकि दिस वाज द वन ऑफ द बेस्ट ट्रेड्स दैट आई रिसेंटली टुक, और मैं काफी खुश हूँ इस चीज को लेके। एंड ऐसे बहुत ट्रेड्स मैं आगे करता रहूंगा और करूंगा भी। एंड दैट्स द रीजन आई एम प्रॉफिटेबल एट दिस पॉइंट। ऑलराइट गाइस, सो लेट्स जंप ऑन टू द वीडियो। थैंक यू। I do see the prices dropping down. I honestly feel that the moves are going to be to the downside. From here onwards, as we start dropping below, I want to see it try to close below this volume imbalance, and then I can look for a short trade. Hmm. Yep. Feel like it's going to drop down now. Yeah. All right. So let's go for it. What? Okay. Wow. I do not wish to see closing above 930 opening price, but the falls are also not happening, so I have to be cautious here. No, this is not good. It's not good. So I will take a loss there. Yep, yep. This is bad. The executions are so bad. The executions were just not happening. I'll still be very mindful about the prices dropping down, and I'm looking for the prices to give me something good to the downside. So I'm still bearish. Yes, I'm still bearish. Okay. Come on, what is wrong with the orders? This is literally trade off. So for now, I've taken a short trade, maybe somewhere here. I don't know exactly. This is the rejection block 50%. I wish to see the markets drop down all the way towards this level. However, the prices are not doing that for now. Mm, like this. One more tap into this is fine, but it should drop quickly. You should not really waste any time around this. I'll try to add positions later, but I wish to see a fall now. It should not waste its time. If it's not doing what I'm anticipating it to do. Okay, that's not good. Judas swing. If things are bearish, just expect the markets to collapse. Today it can collapse. If it wants to drop, it is going to collapse. Okay, so short trade somewhere here. I don't want to see it go above this fair value gap. I've taken a short trade. Okay, probably a bad decision there. Hmm. Yeah, so I'll have to cut this off because it's trying to go up and I wanted to see quick push lower. I wanted to see a quick push lower, not this. So I'll be just mindful about it very quickly. I'll collapse it right at that high because it then can just simply spike up all the way. Hmm. I wish to see a follow-up lower very quickly. If it's trying to support this VI, chances are that it wants to first go up and not really drop down. If it can go down below this level and this level, it will be a short down move for me. And then we may be able to hold on to it a little longer because then we have all the way here. Price really needs to leave this area. And it should be quick. It should not be taking a lot of time now. And if Nifty, I want to see it quickly start dropping and start dropping majorly below the NDOG. And then if we can go all the way down there, it's even better for us to see something good. Now, if it goes back and tries to close inside this, I will not be happy about it. Because there's no reason for us to see that happen. No closing should be inside of it. It should just stay out of this. I wish to see falls quicker. I don't mind seeing a tap, but if it's better not to tap and just reject, I would love, I would probably stick to that idea. No. So it's just consolidating this AM session, and it's going to be bad if I just stick around it a lot. So it's better if it doesn't reject this volume imbalance. I will try to be out of this day. Volume imbalance up there. I would like to see it collapse. No, I want to see it collapse very quickly because this is just wasting a lot of time. I want to see it collapse very quickly now. As if I've got the correct move, then we have very easily seen something bigger as I'll be adding more positions into this trade as we drop below. Hmm. Want to see NDOG drop? Need to see this break below. Should not support this. I need quicker run over this fair value gap. If it doesn't start breaking, then that means it is here to support the prices once again, and that will be not something that we want to see for today. Mm. I wish to see a quick turn down and not for this to go back up or start trying to go back up. My stop loss is right here, 18 points. Even if the price can drop down until here, it's fine. I mean, not fine, not just fine, it's good enough. But I would like to add more positions to this trade. I need to see this drop below this NDOG. That's a very important criteria I need to look for. And if the price can break below this also, that's going to be perfect. And then obviously below this, so that we can hold on to a break of this low. Like it's not coming up somehow. And it's time to add more positions, I believe. Okay, going back up. It's trying to reverse hard. I'll just go ahead and collapse this. My stop loss is up there. I'll just get rid of this. It's too bright for the eyes right now. This right here is my stop loss. This is daily FVG high, so I don't want to see the price go back above it. Hmm. So the price are going back into this fair value gap, and if it's trying to go back and stay inside it, it just wants to go back, like probably go higher. I wanted to see a quick drop from here because if this doesn't break, then the prices are here to stay and they can very easily go higher. So I want to see that break. If we can see that break, there's a very good chance that the price will. Hmm, I honestly wish to see that FVG break. If we can see that FVG break on the GIF Nifty chart, we have a very good chance of seeing lower prices. And if we can resist this and resist the opening range gap high and this inversion low, okay, we're not doing so. Back to this. There was supposed to be a move lower. There is supposed to be a move lower. Should be now. I don't like the fact that it went back inside this. If it's not quickly coming out of it, something like that, then I'm not happy about it. High chances that it will just spike up all the way. That's where we'll have to. Whatever it is, I wish to see this start dropping lower. And that's when I'll try to add positions so we can go below this area. Not happening. I want to see this reject. This VI should itself reject the prices for lower price moves. Should be quick. I need some quick down moves. This is wasting a lot of time. Maybe it's trying to convince a lot of people that the markets are going up. It's slowly dropping down. So if there's anyhow a down move, it's going to be a bigger move to the downside. Okay, back up there. So I'll be just mindful that I have to cut the trade. Unfortunately, we'll have to take a loss today, but I would want to keep it below 5,000 or somewhere below 4,000 at least. We are unable to break below this, and that's where it's bothering me. We are able to break below the fair value gap. And yes, as you can see, it's trying to now take support of it. That's why it's bothering me. Even if it's dropping down, it's quickly trying to just shoot back up. I'm just trusting the bias somehow. I'm just trusting the pre-analysis bias somehow that all of this is happening to give us a drop. I would like to see it drop below the 930 open price. So we have GIF Nifty. As I said, I want to see it drop below this 5 minute FEG or the 1 minute FEG. Yeah, 1 minute FEG. That's where things can start moving in our favor, as this is right at the new day opening gap. But what I do not see in here is the follow or the strength the price should give. That's not showing up. Even though the order flow has turned around, but the strength to drop has not showed up yet. And I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting for moves lower. Okay, so Bank Nifty, we have a good drawn liquidity here. So if markets are still bearish, should quickly. mm, Not good. I was anticipating something to really drop, but it's taking a lot of time. Even though Gift Nifty is trying to drop, if I check Nifty is still trying to drop below. Okay, there are some moves. I wish to see it go and take this out, take this low out. I wish to see price really drop below these levels. Not good. This is wasting a lot of time. Cannot really trust on these things for now. For this point, it's a little heavy to really do anything. My stop loss is at 23,714. 23,714 is my stop loss. So we have this right here. I keep that as my stop loss. If we somehow start dropping down, I can trail it lower. Okay. Again, there's a quick drop. Back to breakeven. I'll just hold on to this for some time. I'm just checking if there's. I wish to add positions, but okay. There's no chance of adding it yet. There's no point. If I try to add positions there, it's going to be bad for me. So my stop loss needs to be for now. And if the price decides that it wants to drop down lower, I will check and do something about it. I get it that we are below this level, but I wish to see a follow-ups, bigger follow-ups lower. I mean, this level is extremely important for me. If we can still stay below it, we have a very high chance that this low is going to be taken out. And even better would be the price to drop down all the way there. So I'm not anticipating that would happen right away. The fall was good. We are below this level, but the thing is, the prices can go back above it, unfortunately, and that's where things will. Hmm. Okay, so we have a fair value gap, and if I try to add position here, it's going to be bad for now. Even though that's what I wanted to do, but as you can see, It's not really helping us. It's not really helping us. 1500 is the loss once again. We went almost near to break even, so it has not really helped us anywhere. Unfortunately, we're above that level once again. And that's where things are going to be a little drastic. I wish to see this reject and start dropping down. Mm, we were very close to seeing something. This level is extremely vital, as you can see the way the prices are tapping into it so many times. But the follow-up is not there. Prices are unable to break below that level, and that's where things can just be not in our favor. So, as I said, I want to see this act as an inversion. But I don't want to take the risk of experiencing more volatility. And so my stop loss has been trailed to this level. If I enter another lot, it's going to be 45, and it's going to be almost 5,000 worth of loss, and I don't want to see that. Honestly, I do not wish to see that, and it's very clear that the stop loss has to be put up here now. So I'll just stick to this chart for now. I like the fact that we are rejecting the level, but I'm not going to add positions as of now. I'll just wait for things to. Because if I can still wait for things to drop, we can see something better that can lead to that can still lead to good profits. What I can do is maybe add like 25 quantities and make it 100 as we see the price drop down. Still good. But what I won't like is this that we still have like 20 point stop loss. Hmm. This is not good. I do not wish to see the support that we're seeing. Yeah, that's why I'm just being skeptical. I will think of adding positions in some time if we do not hit my stop loss there. And if we continue to stay below this level, I will think of definitely adding some positions to this trade. If we are still going back up, then it has to end. Let's see, 𝐀𝐝𝐢𝐭𝐲𝐚. Just have my eyes on the 50 and 30-second chart for now. Thing is, these things can very slowly turn down, and very slowly go for the objective that we have today. And that's what I'm looking forward to. All right, so we're back down below these levels, which is wonderful. I wish to see a follow-up to the downside as well. In the next few minutes, I am anticipating momentum also. So if we can continue stronger to the downside, I'll be very happy about it. So the stop loss is placed properly, I believe. I just take it down here. So I still do not wish to add positions as I feel that if we can continue lower, maybe one more spike up, and then if we start dropping down, that's where I'll be like, okay, let's go for it. Let's take that one little risk. Let's go for it. Then. Okay, so we're going back up into that fair value gap. Though I don't want to see these things take place or take happen. Come on. It needs to stay below this red level, red line that we have. If it can stay below this continuously and trying to go even further lower, I will be looking forward to not good. So here onwards, if I see the price turn around and start dropping down, that's where I have my minds open that fine, let's go for it. There's an opportunity that we can take advantage of. As we have come down a lot, high chances that we should see a push lower. And if things can play in my favor, I would like to take that as an opportunity. Okay, for now it's trying to head up. Mhm. I do see some movements lower, and I do see that it's trying to reject this area, which I like as well. Like the fact that it's trying to reject these areas, but where is the move that should happen? It should go below this extremely important level. My stop loss has been trailed to 25 points now. 807. I need to see it start dropping lower. If it's not dropping lower, I will collapse it. Even if it goes back into this, I don't mind, but it should start dropping lower. I wish to see this level break. And when it breaks, it will be a good down move. That is what I know. That's the only thing that I know for now. If the price is trying to break below this level there, it will be a bigger push lower and we can take advantage of it. Again and again, it's just spending time there. All right, it's coming. Yes. All right, so I guess we'll go and add positions. Come on. Hmm, okay. So my stop loss is placed when I need to see a drop. Group Nifty is dropping, but Nifty here needs to drop as well. And I just want to see it drop to the day low. I don't want to see it drop even. All right, there's 150 gone piece, but still the moves are not bigger. And as we drop below this, I mean, this needs to be tapped, right, at least. So if we can drop below that, even better. The thing is, I feel that I have entered into something that is good and very high probability. And if the move is in my favor, it's going to be something better that we were looking for. If we can capture it to the downside, right below that low. And the fact that the move is also going to be stronger is what I believe. When I talk about it, I can say that it can drop down all the way there. I'm not saying that it will go right away, but I mean, that's the hope that we can have. So I need to see follow-ups, a bigger run to the downside. I wish to see that. There are some moves now. I wish to see it drop below this low. That's the only focus I have for now. Honestly, that's the only focus I have for now. I'll see it drop below this low. Need to see it go stay below this. That should not act as support. Honestly, this VI should not act as support. If it acts as support, it can be devastating for us. But I feel if we can see lower prices from here, we are very quickly dropping down to 23,600. And that can be a good run for us. The thing is, this is the point I have to stay in this trade. I have to trust my moves. That's the thing. We'll trail our stop loss to this high for now. There's no point trying to see the price go back all the way up. Honestly, there's no point. Now we'll just try to trust this and we'll just try to stay into this trade. Wish to see this break very quickly, or else it's going to be a little hurtful. I have another fair value gap. As I said, I want to see this break. If it's not breaking and then the price is still trying to go up and then trying to just run for it, then that's going to be not something that we would like to see. From here, it's almost like 30, 40 points. 40 points at least is what we would like to see from here, something like this. And I feel it can come the way the things have been dropping down. I feel it's about to come. So I'll try to just stay in it and hold on to it. Okay, I don't want, come on, that's bad. I don't wish to see that, but if it's happening, unfortunately, I'll have to watch it. 830 opening price. If we can go below 830 opening price, that's even better. Like it will give me all the hopes for today that fine, we're good to go. We can still go down and everything. That's where things will be very quick. All right. There are some drops. We should quickly go below. We should quickly go below this low, 2000. This VI really needs to break if it's trying to support so much like this. I've never seen a VI support so much like this. And that's where I still have the confidence to keep. It needs to drop, and we have this low right here. A lot of people may have thought that the reversal is taking place, and people they have their stop losses down here. Hero zero mostly people who are long into this, they definitely have their stop losses down there. If I can capture it well, we can see big numbers today. Okay. I don't know why it's not, why is it unable to break that area? It's unable to break that area. That's not good. I do not wish to see that. Hmm. We're back at 8:30 opening price, and I've never seen the price really try to go up or straight head up from here onwards. I've never seen that, so I'm just trusting that there's few more minutes to go, and we'll start seeing a drop as we can see something here. Okay, with 3000. I wish to see the low get taken out. The low needs to be taken out. The price needs to stay below the 830 opening price. Extremely important for me to see this. Only then I can expect things to be even quicker to the downside. Okay, it's still dropping. Still, no, not good. Not good, not good. There was a good spike lower, but there's no follow-up, and that's bad. Maybe there's a wick or a rejection block somewhere here. I just still don't see that, and the follow-up needs to be there to the downside. All good, no problem. If we hit our stop loss, it's fine. We did our best as we were in a drawdown of almost 2,500. We covered it. We try to save as much as we can. Like we did our best. It's going to be like one of the best trades for the month. If we hit the target, it's going to be the best trade of the month. And even if I do not make money today, it's still going to be the best trade of the month for me because I was able to hold it from the start, manage it from the start, and do a lot of things. I still wish to see this drop below the 830 open price very quickly. If that can happen, there's a volume imbalance. I don't mind seeing a tap into it, but it should very quickly drop down. This is not something. Just imagine taking a long here and it goes in your favor. Less chances. This is what a lot of people, the smart money people, will try to think and try to do, and it's really not going to be smart money there. But we'll have to be cautious. A spike is not going to be good. This should have broken very easily. This is taking a lot of time. This is my stop loss now. Nothing can beat time, so we'll have to stay in here as much as I can. I'm trying my best to stay into this. Trying my best to stay into this. Spike to the downside is vital here. We're very close to the objective now. We're very close to the objective, and I wish to hold on to this a little for a few more points. I honestly don't see anything wrong in trying to hold on to this trade. I see everything good. Just about to hit that level. Okay, so it just closed there. So all I can do is take a partial. But I feel that taking a partial is not needed here. It's a good move. It's a very good move. This should not test once again. It should not be tapped into. Okay, there was a down move, but no follow-up. Bank Nifty, sorry, Nifty here. I feel we have all the reasons to drop down. I don't want to see it go back to this 830 opening price. Very close, 20 points more. Maybe 10 points more and I'll try to collapse this. Okay, I can be wrong that I'm not taking a partial here, and that will be a little, that will be a lot disappointing if it turns around on me. But I feel this has a lot of potential to take out that low. A lot of potential to take out that low. Okay, I see it dropping down, but I don't see it really changing the numbers here. We're very close to this low. That tail low needs to be taken out, and I wish to see a bigger number in the next 10 points. Okay, this is slightly lower. Where's the number? The markets are falling, but the number is not there. Hmm, too close to the target. I don't want to see it reverse back on me from here. Okay, not leave my hand for so long. Need to see one drop. It needs to be there. It cannot just reverse back from here, honestly. Come on. It needs to be there. The drop needs to be there. It cannot reverse back on me like this. So if it's not there in the next, oh, okay. All right. So I guess I'm making a mistake by not exiting. Maybe. All right. Last few seconds. Try and hold on to it. Just a few more seconds. Okay. All right. So I wanted to hold it a little bit longer. But anyway, 5,475. Good job. It's spiked now. Okay, it's now going down, but it's a very good job. Probably the best trade. We covered a good drawdown and then we just made some amount of money. I did definitely made some mistakes here. I should have been mindful about it, but this is good. It has all the potential to drop down here. And now it goes, okay, okay, okay. Just a few more seconds and I would have made almost more than 6,500 or something. That would have been good. But anyway, I end this here. थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, बाय।